guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheese cupcake because one of my friends requested it. Okay, so what we need is 2 cups of flour, and this egg I have 3 because my egg is so small, and 1/2 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and of course our cheese, 1 cup of cheese for the butter, and milk, sweet milk, and the vanilla. Okay, so let's get started. So first is we put the sugar and the butter. We mix it together. We don't need the machine, guys. So now next is our egg. Okay. One by one, guys. Okay. Again. So next is our milk. You see, 1 tin of milk. And of course our vanilla. So let's put our flour. Put this slowly. Okay, and the last is our cheese. If you want to put more cheese, you can put more, guys. Okay, guys, so you see our butter should be like this. Okay, so our butter is ready. So now let's do the topping, guys. Okay guys, our cupcake is ready. So we bake our cupcake, but make sure your oven is preheated. So okay, let's put 2 trays. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy our video. So please don't forget to like and share, and thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye.